On the completion of the first year of the government's second tenure, Prime Minister Modi has now written a letter to the people of India listing out all the achievements of his government. The Prime Minister has said that he bows to 130 crore people of India and the country's democratic ethos. Modi has said that people's affection, goodwill and cooperation has given a new energy and inspiration. He claimed that India's stature has risen significantly from 2014 to 2019. Modi also said his government broke the swamp of corruption and transformed lives of millions. He said that the 370 article abrogation furthered the spirit of national unity and integration as well. On Ram Mandir verdict, Prime Minister said that the judgment brought about an amicable end to a centuries-old debate. The Prime Minister said that Citizenship Amendment Act was an expression of India's compassion and inclusiveness. Referring to the coronavirus pandemic, Prime Minister said the battle against coronavirus is a long one, but the virus will be defeated. He urged the people to follow all the rules and regulations to combat the spread of coronavirus. Modi also said that India is in a better condition than many other countries, and the Prime Minister said that victory against COVID is the resolve of the country and the nation will defeat the virus.
सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास, इस मंत्र को लेकर आज देश सामाजिक हो या आर्थिक, वैश्विक हो या आंतरिक, हर दिशा में आगे बढ़ रहा है। बीते एक वर्ष में कुछ महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय ज्यादा चर्चा में रहे और इस वजह से इन उपलब्धियों का स्मृति में रहना भी स्वाभाविक है। राष्ट्रीय एकता अखंडता के लिए आर्टिकल 370 की बात हो, सदियों पुराने संघर्ष के सुखद परिणाम राम मंदिर निर्माण की बात हो, आधुनिक समाज व्यवस्था में रुकावट बना ट्रिपल तलाक हो या फिर भारत की करुणा का प्रतीक नागरिकता संशोधन कानून हो, ये सारी उपलब्धियां आप सभी को स्मरण है। एक बड़ा कारण है कि भारत आज अन्य देशों की तुलना में ज्यादा संभली हुई स्थिति में है। ये लड़ाई लंबी है, लेकिन हम विजय पथ पर चल पड़े हैं और विजयी होना हम सबका सामूहिक संकल्प है। निश्चित तौर पर इतने बड़े संकट में कोई ये दावा नहीं कर सकता कि किसी को कोई तकलीफ और असुविधा न हुई हो। हमारे श्रमिक साथी, प्रवासी मजदूर भाई बहन, छोटे छोटे उद्योगों में काम करने वाले कारीगर, पटरी पर सामान बेचने वाले, रेहड़ी ठेला लगाने वाले, हमारे दुकानदार भाई बहन, लघु उद्यमी, ऐसे साथियों ने असीमित कष्ट सहा है। इनकी परेशानियां दूर करने के लिए सभी मिलकर प्रयास कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हमें ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि जीवन में हो रही असुविधा जीवन पर
Our National Affairs Editor Rahul Srivastava now joins us for the latest. Rahul, if you could just walk our viewers through the decision that was taken in the meeting that took place between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah. This was to fine-tune the finer nuances as well of the lockdown 5.0 going forward. That's one big question on everyone's mind. What is 5.0 lockdown really looking like for India?
Chetty, if one looks at the wider picture and of reactions which have come from chief ministers vis-a-vis the home minister, one can see very clearly that compared to lockdown 1.0 then 2.0, where the prime minister was a face, it is a slow exit that the prime minister is making, and also there is a gradual exit, graded exit out of a nationwide lockdown. Now, at one time on lockdown 1.0 on the 25th of March, the entire nation was under a lock, and there was a big lock visible. And today we have more keys and more opening up visible, and that is why one wonders whether there is going to be a technical term called nationwide lockdown now, or is it going to be just states going to be dictating the entire picture. Now there is a worrisome trend in 10 states and something close to 70 north cities, 30 north cities, which one is looking at the wider picture. which are accounting for 70% of the cases. So can it be possible that in the next phase, these 13 cities will be the focus and rest of the nation may get opened up? The experiment vis-a-vis the opening up of the commercial domestic flying sector perhaps can become a benchmark. That also perhaps is one of the large opening up that the government indulged in at the central level.
Right.
And beyond that, the central role is limited in terms of trains and others, and rest is up to the state. And that's why it seems that we are moving towards a greater opening up driven by the states only.
All right, Rahul Srivastava right there getting us the inside details of the nuances that were discussed between the Prime Minister and Home Minister Amit Shah as well. Thanks much, Rahul, for bringing our viewers up to speed with the very latest.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.